Hey, I just got off the phone with a really good customer of ours from Indiana named Mitchell, and he has a 1200 Sportster that he wants us to build. He's kind of on a budget, so we're gonna keep the heads, but he said he wants to try to hit 90 horsepower. Let's see if we can make that happen for him. And yes, we do Sportsters. So we installed the 1275 hammer kit with 10.5-to-1 compression pistons. Left the head stock. We just reconditioned the valve seats and replaced the valve seals. We did install high lift springs in the valves to be able to accommodate the Redshift 567 cam. Now, when you do that cam on your own application, it may or may not require case altering. We had to do a little bit, but it wasn't a big deal here. That cam requires adjustable push rods, so we installed some S&S adjustable push rods. We installed the Screaming Eagle 58mm high flow throttle body and went up to 4.38 injectors. And we put a Screaming Eagle high flow heavy breather air cleaner on it. And we ran the Vance & Hines Pro pipe to get us all that power, because the pipe and the heads helped keep the power down low, even though we had that fairly nice size cam to get us up to the maximum horsepower that you can see here. We had 97 horsepower. This starts out nice with 80 foot-pounds of torque, which carries you to the 5,000 mark, and then the power really takes off from 5 to 7. So it's a nice little build.